Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roxanne, and today we're going to be doing the October Glossy Box. I got variation 3. As most of you know, I have been with Glossybox for about a year now. This is my last box, maybe for a little while, although I did purchase the Korean skincare box. I haven't opened it up, but I have seen the spoilers, so I know basically what's in here. I just don't know what variation 3 actually is. To start off, there's a $100 wine voucher, which, because I'm in Canada, I don't believe I can use. So if you want to use it, just message me and I'll give you the codes. So to start off, I mean, Glossybox is so pretty. They always wrap up their boxes so nicely. It's $21 American plus $5 to ship to Canada. They usually ship within the first week, which is really, really nice. It's supposed to be, it used to be full size. Now they say they're 5 deluxe, 5 deluxe samples. So it's usually a mixture of everything: makeup, skincare, nail polish, and everything. So they give you this nice little pamphlet here, and it tells you what's in the box. So I see one thing here that is a repeat, so I will be emailing Glossybox and having them rectify that. They're usually pretty good and will send something out, though it can take up to several weeks to get something. So I was kind of excited about the spoilers to this box because it's supposed to be a spa retreat. I love masks: hair mask, face mask, feet mask, nail mask, anything mask. I try it once and I usually love it. So the first thing that I do see is the Supreme Revitalizing Mask. Intense moisture for all hair types. I need this. I'm about to cut off all of my hair because pregnancy has killed everything, and dying it, of course. So I will try this, and I will probably, hopefully it'll work. I know I have a couple hair masks that I do need to try, so maybe I'll do that tonight. So the second thing I see is a candle. I love candles. I'm not gonna lie. They're so nice, but having a young one in the house, I don't burn them as much. Ooh, that kind of salt air cucumber. You can definitely smell the cucumber. It's really kind of tiny, but hey, I can put that in the bathtub with me and not have to worry about it. So the other item I see is nail polish. Like I said, there's usually nail polish in it. I am not wearing any, so maybe I should try this out quickly. I am getting kind of sick of the pinks though. I like purples and blues and Halloween colors, and it's one of those ones where you have to take off the top, then you turn it. Let's see here. You have to excuse me, I do have a bit of a cold. So I'm just kind of sloppily putting this on. I know that's probably not a word. Sorry guys. So it's kind of pretty. It's I don't know if you can see it at all. Kind of did my thumb, but I'm sure if you added a couple more layers to that, it'd be really, really gorgeous. Kind of hoping more for a fall color or a Halloween color, but this is the spa box. So the next thing I see is GEORGETTE KLINGER Rose Clarifying Toner, all skin types. I do like toners, so I would probably give this a try. Right now I am using my full-size Lancome Comfort Toner, and I love that. So I saw this at the hairdresser's the other day, and I was almost tempted to buy it. It is the INVISIBOBBLE scrunchie. I absolutely love them. I'm actually wearing one right now. Actually, I'm wearing the ones that came in the Mother's Day box back in May, which are like, what were they supposed to be? Confetti or something like that. So, oh, I got pink. I'm kind of happy. Yay! So, just want to get nail polish on it. So I've got a couple of videos I'm going to try and upload today. This is the first out of 3, so you will see me wearing this probably in other videos. See? I really like that, and that's almost dry. So the last item I've already gotten, and I like it, but I don't need 2 full-size ones in 1 year. I've got like 6 different lip scrubs. So this is the Royal APOTHIC Scrub Sugar Lip Scrub. Extract of fig. I will have to say this is a really nice scrub. This is a full size and it's $14. And I didn't mention any of the sizes. So the nail polish obviously is full size and it's $15. So these 2 alone, that's $29. So right here's the cost of the box. Then scrunchie is $8 American. I believe I sell them for closer to 10 Canadian. So definitely there's 3 items over the price of the box. The mask is $14 for 1.7 fluid ounces. And I believe actually this is featured size, so $14, like that's full size. Wow. So there's what, 14, 28, and 25, oh no, 8. That's actually, this is really not a bad value box. This is a really good value box. The full size for the candle is $42 for 10 ounce. This is 1 ounce, so this will be $4. And the clarifying toner is 6.7 ounces for $26. And this is one, I'm not going to do the math. Sorry guys, I love math, but I'm not going to do that math in my head for you right now. So, I mean, I have to admit, like, there's all but 1 item that I like, and that's pretty good for a box. That's really, really good. Unlike some other boxes that I'm receiving this month. This one I think I really, really liked. It's sad to see it go. I will be uploading the video for the Korean skincare one. Down below is my link to, if you want to get this Glossybox, it's still available. So if you run over to, or use my link below, you should be able to save, I think, about 20% on your first box, which is kind of nice. I do get a referral amount back. I'm not exactly sure how much it is. But yes, definitely, this is definitely a good box, one I would say to subscribe to. Maybe just do it monthly, because I can't guarantee what next month is or December is. But I will say Glossybox has some of the best one-off boxes. So their Mother's Day box I loved. The Korean skincare, which I'm waiting for, or it's coming shortly, hopefully. I've already seen what's in it. I love it. Last year's Christmas box came with a full-size Sunday Riley CEO flash serum. I absolutely love that box. One of my favorite boxes for around Christmas time. So, and if you're a subscriber, usually you will get an email beforehand saying, hey, this is a new box, sign up for it now. And you get $5 off usually, so it's definitely worth it. The other thing with Glossybox is if you do referrals as well as reviews, you do get Glossy points, which you can use on Glossy's website or Look Fantastic. So it's kind of a really neat site. I don't know any promotions that are up and running right now, but like I said, if you use my referral link, you'll get 20% off the box, which is kind of nice. And I think that's about it. So definitely a hit for me. What do you guys think? Let me know below. You can hit the subscribe button, and as I will be uploading a couple videos today. Thank you.